Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair a completely dulled bread knife. So this knife doesn't look too bad at first glance. However, if you look closely at the blade, you can see that basically all of the points here are smashed in, and the gullets in here are also pretty dull. Now normally to resharpen bread knives I use my DMT cone sharpeners, which work very well. However, if a blade is this dull, then it's not practical anymore. It just will take too long. So for this, we need to rework basically the entire grind that's in the knife. And for this, I usually use my workshop grinder here. So what I found is that the top belt or the top roller has a very good radius to resharpen these bread knives. It fits most normal sizes, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a fresh belt on here. It's very important that you use a fresh belt, so you introduce as little heat as possible into the blade, and then we are going to resharpen it like this every tooth until we have a proper grind again. So to cool the knife intermittently, so don't overheat it and lose the temper, I'm gonna use some water and a piece of kitchen roll just to cool the knife off. In between, I'm gonna do like 4 to 5 of these gullets and then cool the knife off. So let's see how this works. Now I'm going to cool off the blade after 4 or 5 gullets, and we can look at the grind. So our sharpening angle is pretty much spot on. It's a little bit shallower than the original one, but this is good enough. The tips feel very sharp again, and you can see we also formed a burr here. So it looks like I've not sharpened it all the way, but this is just a burr. I'm going to break this off later. So I'm just going to continue all the way down the blade until it is repaired. And that is our final result. You can see we have a good burr all the way down the back, and our blade is super sharp again if we break off the burr. With this method, it does not matter how destroyed your knife is. I had some that are way worse than this even, and you are always back up in just a few minutes. It just does not make sense to use hand tools with this because it just takes too much time, and it also uses up your sharpener. With this, you can do so many blades on one belt, provided you start off with a fresh one. And it's much faster, much more efficient, and gives you a nice even grind. That was it for this video, just a short one. Thank you for watching. If you liked it and you learned something, consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.